Okay, let's do our walk around video on this 29-foot FLEETNECK pintle hitch trailer. First thing you're gonna see, it does have the heavy duty 12-inch I-beam with the pintle hitch tongue. Like I said, it's got the dual jacks on the front, spring-loaded jacks here. Walk around inside, you see this heavy-duty trailer right here. It's got the dual tandem axles. Tires are really good condition. The floor itself is really good condition right here. Like I said, everything seems to be where it's supposed to be. Come off a local parish. It's got the 5-foot dovetail spring-loaded ramps. That's always a plus to have. You picking up heavy ramps here. I said make a good trailer. If you got to haul some equipment here, you got to haul a backhoe, dozer, or whatever, you got to pull around here, make a pretty decent old trailer. So you got a little bend right here to the side here, but nothing major. Like I said, son, and pulling this trailer, using this trailer. It's got the dual tandem. It's got the 5-foot dove. Like I said, it's got a 12-inch I-beam underneath it, so it's a pretty solid trailer. Just on this edge right here, as you can see, kind of lift up there. Like I said the trailer is a 29-foot total. That's going to be a 24-foot trailer, flat deck with a 5-foot dove. It's a pintle hitch. The wood looks good. It's got dual jacks in the front of it. Only auction I'm always going to find this 29, 24 plus 5-foot dove pintle hitch trailer coming southwest. We all time get about. Thank you.